Hey, welcome to the S&P 200 market forecast for the first week of February 2020. The market just closed, so I'm doing on Friday on the 31st of January 2020. So, a couple of things. Welcome to the YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share the video. And also, again, I just want to point out that it's a 3 months of premium courses. You can actually sign up for free at skillshare.com. If you follow the link, it will take you there. Okay, so sign up if you haven't done anything about stock market before or trading. There's 2 courses there, and there's another course, 80-20 strategies. If you're interested in getting better at what you do in 2020, check that one out too. So let's get started, and I will look at the S&P 200 first before we do anything else. Now let's go here. This is the chart. Okay, a couple of things. I'm looking at the S&P 200 Australian stocks weekly charts. Now I'm using 10 and 20 moving average. It works quite nicely, as you can see. Last signal I had in was back in February, and it ran up quite nicely. There is market pullback and all that. We spoke about those things before, not an issue. Now the market did close a little bit lower, so just be aware of that on the weekly chart. So the market ran up 3 weeks in a row in January quite strongly with the double bottom here. As you can see, the market ran up almost a couple hundred points, so about 400-500 points. So it's been pretty good in January so far. Now if we switch back to the daily charts very soon, but I also want to point out the stochastic RSI here is about to do a crossover, so just be mindful. The market may do a little pullback, so just keep an eye on it. Now let's switch to the daily charts quickly. And on the daily chart, on the other hand, we had a nice run up. It's doing a pullback. Crossover here, pretty much coincides with that. So I'm waiting for this next signal. Now there is some sort of a triangle shape forming here. So if I draw this for you, you will see it a bit better. So let's choose the line. Oops. It's not always work. So just do that again. That's fun. And I'm going to get rid of that. Move this one over here. We're just going to draw the line here. And there's another one. Okay. So just be aware of it. We'll draw another one. So on a daily chart, it's inside a triangular shape forming. So just be aware of it. It's just fall below the moving average. I would be a bit concerned. The Dow Jones so far, the pre-market looks pretty positive. So it really depends on what's happening with the with China and how the virus is going. There will be it will affect us. I don't know if you've seen the Twitter and also the LinkedIn page for Streetwise Education. We actually did a post on that. We did a comparison between the SARS and the new viruses. How would that affect the market? If you haven't checked that out, have a look at that. Jump onto the LinkedIn page and also the Twitter. Okay, have a check it out. So we do a couple different posts. So this is where the market is at the moment. So just be aware of it. Let me see, what else can I tell you? Apart from that, I'm waiting for a crossover signal here, possibly. Have your risk management plan. The market is it's not moving as much as I wanted, like they're moving as much. So just be aware of it. We did make the brand new high about 7 days ago. So that's the highest point ever, 7,102. So since then, the market been retracting. So just be aware of it. So now, if the Dow Jones close high, it's possible the market will moving back up a little bit next week. But overall, this is the trend really. So let me switch back to the weekly charts so you can have a look at it. So we've been trending quite nicely up, as you can see. Our previous resistance level was here. So if I do this for you guys, you will probably can see this line. So since that green line been punched through, we run up nicely, about 100 odd points. So because we had to set up somewhere here. So about 200, 300 points. So the market doing a pullback is expected. It's still trending up, so just keep an eye on it. Make sure you have your strategy put in place, especially your risk management one. So that's just the overall. And if you don't know how to use this software or investing trading, make sure you subscribe to the channel, the YouTube channel, and also the Skillshare courses, on the stock market. I go into a lot more detail. You can pick it up pretty easily. But that's pretty much what I want to talk about. Unless there's some major things happening in the next couple of weeks, I'll do an update anyway. So if the viruses are gone out of hand, I'll do an update and do some forecasting where the market will be likely to go. But the Twitter and the LinkedIn definitely is a place to keep an eye on, because I do post quite regularly there. And happy hunting, guys. Just make sure you put enough risk management plan together. You should be quite well. It's been fun anyway. So I will see you in our next YouTube video. So also I think from March onward, we will do feature video. So there will be more of me, and actually can get to see me, talking about this in a classroom setting, basically. So happy hunting, and keep me posted on YouTube, LinkedIn, our website. So there's plenty of places you can talk to me, and happy hunting again.